Imagine this. You build a super smart AI agent and say, send me a reminder. And suddenly, it spams you with 200 reminders every 5 seconds. Then, you ask for a quick homework summary. Then it writes you a 200-page essay. So that's what happens to agents that don't have rules. So today we'll learn how to set your rules so your agent stays smart, helpful and safe instead of going a little bit crazy. So think of rules like guardrails. In bowling, guardrails stop your ball from going in the gutter. In video games, limits stop you from cheating with infinite lives. In school, rules keep everyone safe and fair. Parents need rules too. They don't give too much, too little, or the wrong kind of information. So, there are 4 big categories of rules. So, the 4 big categories are content rules, like what the agent can say or cannot. Length rules, how long or short the answer should be. And action rules, what action it's allowed to take. So behavior rules, like the kind of personality, like funny and kind, and like the style, a joker style, or maybe like a detailed style, like that. So, and like you can see some fun examples in action. And the homework helper agent, you can ask him to explain it in 5 steps, use positive examples, and keep it really simple, and don't use too complex stuff, because so that we don't understand the stuff. Then we can do news buddy agent. So maybe you can summarize news in 3 sentences. Always keep it positive and kid safe. Reminder agent, send only one reminder every day at 6 a.m. This avoids chaos, little chaos. Because remember the example we learned? Would you like that? 200 reminders every 5 seconds? No, not really. That's why rules help us stay safe, fun and helpful. Here's a simple formula you can use. Always do this, never do that. Keep answer short or long or step by step. Example for a homework question. So you can write explain in steps. Never just give the final answer. Keep giving hints so I can work harder. Keep explanations under 5 or 6 sentences. Boom! Clear rules. So let's see how rules look like in a simple agent. Sorry. So you can see here's the prompt, everyday drill. I'll put this in the description below so you can try it for yourself. Now, you don't have to use really complicated coding tools. You can use no-code builders. It's even easier. Just type rules in the instructions box. Example you can always be funny, never use bad words, and keep answers short. Then, now your agent follows these rules every single time. So, now it's your turn. Pick an agent you've already built. Write down 3 rules: a content, a length, and a behavior rule. Then test it out. So, then build what don't you build? A news agent. That's one of the most funnest and easiest topic yet. So now, and you can ask it to tell me today's news and see how it goes. So today, we learned that rules equals guardrails that keep agents from going crazy. For 4 types: content, plans, action, and behavior. You can write rules with simple steps: always, never, and keep. Isn't that simple? So, rules make agents smarter, safer, and more fun. Now your agent isn't just powerful, it's disciplined. Like a superhero who uses powers wisely. Like we say, with great power comes great responsibility. In the next lesson, we'll put everything together to build an AI daily news buddy, like a literal big one, so it can fetch news, explain it in kids-friendly words, and even emails you a summary. So get ready. This is where your agent really shines. Go on for the next video to learn how to build a daily news buddy. Thank you.